Hello, this is Systems of Linear Equations and Inequalities, graphing linear equations in 3 variables, example 1. And we're used to an ordered pair of numbers, and now they're introducing an ordered triple of numbers. The negative 5 is the x, the 3 is the y, and the 4 is the z. So what we add is a z-axis, and the z-axis comes straight up out of the floor. The x and the y makes the floor, and the z-axis comes up and makes like the walls. So traditionally it's drawn like this, with the x-axis here, the y-axis here, and the z-axis coming up. You have to imagine the xy plane as being the floor, the zy plane being this wall to the right, and the xz plane being this wall to the left. Like this. So if we had the point 1, if z was 0 and we just had the point 1 comma 1, it would be there. See, x would be 1 and y would be 1, so it would be right there on the floor. If it was 1 comma 1 comma 1, well, now it's got to come up. And it's hanging in midair at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now, if z was negative, we would have to imagine it going through the floor. See, and that's what's going on here. The z-axis is going through the floor to be negative. Over here, the x-axis goes through the wall into the next room, and that's where that's negative. And same thing with y over there. So, getting to our point, negative 5 comma 3 comma 4. Negative 5 on the x-axis. You know, here's 0, 0, there's positive x, so negative x takes it over here, and I'd say that's about 5. Then we've got to go, y is 3, so we're going to come this way, let's say 3. So we've gone that far, 3. We've gone that far, 5. See, this is 5 on the x-axis, and this is 3 on the y-axis. And now we got to go up 4. So if we go up 4 on the z-axis, there's our point. Okay, there is a b part, and the b part is the point 3, negative 4, negative 2. So to graph that, the x is 3, so positive 3 this time, and the y is negative 4. So now we've got to go through the wall and this way 4. See? So we've gone 3 comma negative 4, and now we've got to go down 2. So now we go down 2, and it actually ends up downstairs through the floor and down. And that's how to graph points in the 3-dimensional plane.